Prettier is a fantastic tool for cleaning up your code and saving you a lot of time making things look pretty in your code. It's very simple to get started with. There is some documentation here, but we are just going to get right into it. So all you need to do is install it, which is npm install save Prettier. That will add it to our dependencies. Then we can go into our package.json and we can see Prettier has been added. And then we can add a script format, Prettier, write, which means it will rewrite our whatever folders we target. And our target path, pages / double star. Double star will target every single folder within the pages folder. And then single star, which will target every single file within those folders. And then we have the extensions. Because we're using TypeScript, it's TS, TSX, and CSS. Let's see, maybe we won't have any CSS files, but for now we'll add that just in case, because Prettier can also format CSS. And we cannot forget to add a config file, which is .prettierrc. Kind of like a bubble RC we have there. So I've got some default config there. You can mess around with that and change it however you like. And to make it work, let's actually do a little test. So let's make this look kind of ugly. I don't know if how much it will change here, but we've added some weird spaces and things like that. Okay, so all we need to do is run our script, which is npm run format. I think format is a nice appropriate name for this. And you can see it took 200 milliseconds to run that. Let's go into our pages index and you can see it looks pretty again. So that's all. It's very easy. Thanks for watching.